recording there, recording there. Back up we go. Switch over to manual. Start off pretty chill, honestly. You breathe. I gotta breathe. Man, I didn't record I recorded, but I didn't record me. And I had some pretty good lines. So we're gonna see what we can do here too. We're gonna start off, get bearings again. Don't need to go too crazy. Take it nice and slow. That's why. Set my angle here. I don't want to go too ham right out the gate, but we will. Last time I went too ham out the gate, I crashed it, so. Okay, I want to try and do that, maybe. Go like loop like that. Oop, that didn't work. Nope, I thought about it. The second you think about it is when you should probably bail out. Because you're not obviously just in flow state. Oh, we hit it, but we got the guards on there, so everything seems fine. There's also car count, so we're just gonna chill out. This guy's probably thinking, what the fuck? Keep driving there, brother. I got goggles on. Oh. Still flying good, so. Whoop. Chill. Whenever like that happens where you just feel like you lose that rhythm, just like going back, okay, bail out, relax, take a second, breathe. Because that's when you make mistakes, is when you don't allow yourself to chill out and just come back into it. I really like this bridge. I mean, I've taken some videos here prior with my camera and stuff like that. One of my first car edits I actually ever filmed was at this bridge with a Type R. It's crazy. I came to this bridge like a month and a half, 2 months ago. There's no way I was doing anything that I'm doing right now. Like hitting these gaps, I was shaking. I was shaking going under this bridge part. If you want to learn how to fly FPV, I really suggest and recommend liftoff. Helps you get those jitters out. under there. Ooh, yeah, we can. Okay. It's starting to rain here, so we're actually going to come back. It's like ice rain, so not worth it to destroy the drone over. So that was good though. And as for damage on that hit, there's that little brown spot, but wipes it off. Honestly, it's mint. I don't see any damage, so pretty resilient. Things good. Got some sick lines. Honestly, yeah, like if you guys are ever wanting to learn how to fly FPV, straight up, honestly, highly recommend Liftoff. Liftoff is like the game that I've been playing, the simulator that I've been playing to learn. You can hook up your FPV remote right to it, so you get to feel the actual like the actual remote and fly with it, so you learn with that. And honestly, I couldn't be happier with the amount of progress I've made. I think I've flown for a total of 20 hours with the FPV drone, both on simulator and off. That's combined. And like, especially comparative to like 2 months ago, like with my first videos that I posted, what a difference. Like, yeah, I was doing power loops, but hitting gaps was really scary. I was legitimately shaking anytime I was hitting a gap. Like a month ago, going through 2 months ago, going through that underside of that bridge, which is very large. Like, it's not really a gap, like it's huge. I was freaking out, like I was shaking. So seeing how like I'm going through all the small gaps and stuff like that, so much fun, so comfortable, feeling way better. Yeah, my goal is to be able to fly like inside places and get cool video for companies and stuff like that. So obviously you need to be hitting tight, you need to be able to control in tight situations and tight gaps, and be able to fit through like doorways or windows and not hit anything. So practicing there with that, really good, really epic. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, hit it.